Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan oxtails. We'll start by focusing on the star ingredient, king oyster mushrooms. These fantastic fungi are perfect for replicating the hearty, meaty texture of traditional oxtails. I'll guide you through preparing them to achieve that signature shape and satisfying chew. Get ready to transform these humble mushrooms into an incredibly flavorful and surprisingly authentic plant-based dish that will impress everyone. Next, let's talk about flavor. It's absolutely essential for our vegan oxtails. We'll create a robust, savory marinade using ingredients like tamari or soy sauce, a generous splash of vegan Worcestershire, and a hint of smoked paprika for depth. A tiny bit of liquid smoke will add that authentic, slow-cooked essence. For the best results, let your prepared mushrooms soak in this delicious mixture for a minimum of 2 hours, or even better, overnight. Now onto the cooking. To achieve that incredibly tender, fall-off-the-bone texture, braising is our go-to method. First, you'll want to sear your marinated mushroom pieces until they develop a beautiful, golden brown crust. This step is vital for locking in all those amazing flavors. Then, we'll slowly simmer them in a rich, aromatic broth, infused with ingredients like sautéed onions, fresh garlic, and fragrant thyme, for about 1.5 hours until perfectly tender. Finally, let's talk about serving your magnificent vegan oxtails. These rich, flavorful pieces are absolutely delicious when paired with classic accompaniments like fluffy rice and peas, creamy mashed potatoes, or even polenta. Don't forget to garnish with some fresh, vibrant herbs, perhaps a sprinkle of chopped parsley or thinly sliced scallions for a pop of color and freshness. And that incredible braising liquid, thicken it slightly to create a luscious gravy to pour generously over everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.